When unstacking Oil Creek Plastics pipe that has been stretch wrapped, it is impossible simply to push the coil off the stack. This is a benefit to our customers in that it provides for much safer storage in their warehouses and yards. As you can see, the stacks of new Oil Creek Plastics pipe are less likely to topple over and hurt someone than are stacks of pipe that have not been stretch wrapped. In order to unstack our stretch-wrapped coils, it is necessary to simply lift up on the coil and slide it off. Once the coil is off the stack and ready to be used, you must not, under any circumstances, cut the stretch wrap off of the coil. You must, however, cut the tape that you will find on the coil. This tape is merely to safeguard the integrity of the coil during shipping. After the tape has been cut and you are ready to uncoil your pipe, you must find the end of the pipe that is on the inside of the coil and pull it out. At this point, it is necessary to remove the special plug from the end of the pipe. If you listen carefully while cutting or manually removing the plug, you will hear air escaping from the coil. This release of air pressure is to ensure that the coil has not been damaged during transportation. Be sure not to lose the plug because you'll want to use it again later. Now you are ready to unroll your coil of Oil Creek Plastics pipe. To begin unrolling your pipe, you must first anchor the inside end with your foot. You then simply roll the coil along the ground while walking along the length of the pipe. When you have as much pipe out as you need, simply cut the pipe. Reinsert the plug by pushing it in with a screwdriver or pen or any other tool that can apply enough pressure to the plug for it to slip into the pipe. Then tuck the end back inside the coil and tape it to preserve the coil for future use. You may also unroll your pipe by pulling it out from the inside of the coil. In order to do this, you must place the coil on a bar with the inside end placed over the top and pointing at you. At this point, you can simply pull out the desired length of pipe, cut it off, and preserve the coil for future use. If you should find the coil is too large to spin freely around the bar, Oil Creek Plastics will provide you with a reel designed to aid in the uncoiling of your pipe. Simply assemble the reel by screwing the flanges onto each side of the center drum. Then insert the reel through the center of the coil, keeping in mind that the inside end of the pipe should be placed over the top of the reel and pointing towards you. Finally, load the reel onto the bar, pull out the desired length of pipe, cut it off, and preserve your coil for future use.